Hi guys, welcome to my channel Priyanka Chandra. Today we will review Master promo from 3 to 8. I'm too excited to review this because every promo is very interesting. The curiosity of seeing the movie is growing more and more, and there is a huge fan following for Thalapathy Vijay and Vijay Sethupathi sir. So without wasting any time, let's go ahead and start the video. Now let's talk about the promo 3. The makers dropped the promo for the film third song Vati Ride. Vati Ride's lyrical video was dropped back in March 2020, day after the IT department raided his house on doubts of tax evasion. Thalapathy Vijay name was shortly cleared by the IT department, and now the makers have dropped the small teaser of Vati Ride video, and it is very impressive. I just loved and enjoyed the Vati Ride lyrical video. Promo shows us Vijay walking on the field of college campus and corridor, and can also be seen him pull off some impressive fight moves, and the energetic beat that Vati Ride has, the song is already a huge hit. Promo 3 was very impressive, and the music, the fight, the punching dialogues, the way he gets into the mass fight with his college student was amazing to watch him. So now let's talk about promo 4. We can see Vijay in a romantic promo featuring Malavika Mohan. The promo starts with Thalapathy Vijay expressing to his college watchman his love for the new teacher played by Malavika, and says the dialogue, "Gokka makka appadi oru lovvida." The promo shows the conversation between Malavika and Vijay can be seen in no beard look, and the chemistry between Malavika and Vijay is portrayed very well. There's been a very short glimpse of them, but still it has been shown very beautifully. So I'm waiting to see the chemistry between Malavika and Thalapathy Vijay. As Vijay is brilliant in romantic scenes, the way he portrayed himself as a romantic hero, I'm just looking forward to see Malavika and Vijay romantic scenes and what magic they'll create on the screen. So let's talk about promo 5. In promo 5, the makers have shown us the glimpse of Vijay Sethupathi, who is playing the role of antagonist. A glimpse of an action sequence was being shown in the promo, and he can be seen getting himself prepared to fight against Vijay. Vijay Sethupathi role in the film is named as Bhavani. His role will be shown in two different age groups, while the younger version is played by Master Mahendran and Vijay Sethupathi plays the older version. Vijay Sethupathi can be seen telling a powerful dialogues in promo 5. So here I'm going to attempt telling this dialogue, and please don't mind if my pronunciation is wrong. So the dialogues goes like this. உலகத்திலே யாரு பெத்தனாலும் பயப்படலாம், ஆனா சாவு நேரம் கிரிச்சினா எதிரில வருது யமன் இருந்தாலும் பயப்படக்கூடாது. So this was my dialogue, guys. Please don't mind if there is something wrong in it. I just attempted. As you all know, I am not so fluent in Tamil. I'm just learning Tamil. I'm a huge fan of Thalapathy Vijay and Vijay Sethupathi sir. I've seen few of his movies while I was in my childhood as well, even though I didn't know the language. This is my small attempt of learning Tamil, and I hope you like it. So now let's talk about promo 6. The promo 6 starts with Vijay Thalapathy driving a car with one hand and holding a bucket in another hand, and in car we can also see Malavika as well, who is the lead heroine. And the scene shift where Thalapathy Vijay sir is fighting, and simultaneously the same scenes where Vijay Sethupathi sir is also fighting. Well, that has come out very well. That has been synchronized very well on the trailer. And also we can see Vijay Sethupathi taking some jute bag and walking. There are some lorries coming in the night, and finally the scene where Thalapathy Vijay and Vijay Sethupathi are face off can be seen on this promo. I think the promo gives us the glimpse that there is a grudge between two of them. Okay, to find what is the exact story, you have to go and watch it in the theatre, which is going to be released on 13 Jan on Pongal festival. So now let's talk about the promo 7, guys. So in promo 7, they have only shown the action sequence where the master is telling Nai Appudai. So please let me know in the comment section what does this word mean, guys, and also where Thalapathy Vijay is completely in action mode. And so 10-second promo is been trending as well. I think all the master promos are trending, and they're huge hit, and people are really waiting for this movie. As you all know, it's going to be released on Pongal festival. So finally the promo 8 has been released as tomorrow, that is on 13th Jan, the film is going to be released, and in promo 8 we can see that Vijay is being challenged by some guys. There is a kabaddi game going on, and Prashant Neel came in support of Master and tweeted that people have to watch this movie in theater. So what do you think about this? Please do comment. So that's it for today guys. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Do let me know how excited are you to watch this movie, and how many people have watched first day first show. This was my reaction on promo 3 to 7. If you have not watched my first and second promo reaction, you can go and watch that by clicking this I button, and also you can find the link in the description box. So still, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to my channel and show your love by hitting the bell button so you get the notification of all my new videos. Take care, you all lovely people. Bye bye.